talk about what kind of loans are available in today's market. And, I'm here with John Schuler from Prospect Mortgage. And John, I've heard that the lending market has really tightened up since all this stuff has been happening with our market. And are there really loans still available out there?
Absolutely, Cece. And she's right. The loan market has tightened up a little bit, but mainly it's for people who cannot document their income or assets. And it's also for people who want to really stretch themselves and buy more than they can truly afford. So she would be correct. Things have really tightened up on that. But as far as are there loan options available for most people, probably 95% of the people out there? Absolutely. Lending is just like it's always been. We've just gone back to the old way of doing it, such as document your income, document your assets, have decent credit, and you're in.
Okay. So is there still 0% down programs out there right now?
There are for a few select buyers, such as VA home loans. So if you've served active duty in the military or reserves, you're eligible for a VA loan, zero down, no mortgage insurance. Or if you want to buy in a rural area with the USDA Rural Housing Loan, you can also get a 100% loan. But again, that's for the more rural areas. Other than that, it's back to the normal programs. You have your standard conventional loans where you're required to put down 3% to 20% depending on your profile. You have FHA, which is a very popular item. FHA requires 3.5% down. But the neat thing about that, where it sort of piggybacks on zero down loans, is if you do an FHA home loan and you need 3.5% as a down payment, you can get that gifted from a family member, relative, employer, nonprofit agency. So there's a lot of different options. But again, it depends on you and your profile.
That's great to know. I mean, because a lot of us, don't have a lot in reserves. We might have the emergency fund, but don't quite come up with that 3.5%. And I know parents want to help out sometimes, or maybe an office or something like that. So that's really great to know. Now, what other things can you tell us about loans today? Anything else that we want to touch base on?
Yeah, the loan programs today follow a little bit more conservative guidelines than they did in the past. You're typically not going to be able to push your debt to income ratio much more than 45% as a general standard.
That's good to know too.
Yeah, for those stellar buyers, they can push it a little bit higher, but that's exactly why you need to get your financing in order, get pre-approved prior to actually going out there and making an offer. And so if you come to a competent, knowledgeable loan officer such as myself, you're going to also work with a competent, knowledgeable real estate agent like Cece, who will mandate this. She just won't show you a property unless you're pre-approved because she knows the market and how important it is.
Yeah, I know how important it is, and I really don't like to see heartbreak in my clients when they haven't been pre-approved and the property goes to somebody else because they have been pre-approved and they're able to go ahead and make that offer. So very important, again, to get pre-approved, make sure you know where your finances are, and I'm always here to help answer any real estate questions. John here can answer your loan questions.
Absolutely.
And thanks for watching this video.